If you're the type of person who make excuses, I'm sorry, this is not for you. If you're the type of person na if something does not work and your first reaction is blaming other people, making excuses, saying na hindi kasi nakikinig si client, mali kasi si client, or hindi kasi maganda yung market ko, wala akong kakilala, wala na akong makausap. I'm sorry, this is not a best fit for you. Because being a financial advisor is being an entrepreneur. Okay? This is your first step to become an entrepreneur. And entrepreneurship requires ownership. Last but not the least, if your why or your goals is not big enough, definitely being a financial advisor is not a good fit for you. Because in this industry, you get exposed. Meaning na maraming rejections, maraming failure, maraming blood, sweat, and tears ang mararanasan mo dito. Especially on your very first year before you become successful or before you see some positive results. Okay? And if your why is not big enough, then definitely susukuan mo agad to. So why bother starting at the first place?